Morning students, today we will continue the exercise 12.2. Since till yesterday we saw till 8 question, 9th and 2 more questions I will tell you today. 9th one, question number 9 is a brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. Can you see? This is a brooch. We're given that the diameter of the brooch is 35 mm. One can understand radius equal to 35 by 2 mm. The wire is also used in the making 5 diameter which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. 5 diameters are used. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 diameters are used and it divides whole brooch in 10 equal sectors. Okay, now first question asks the total length of silver wire required. I tell you one thing. First of all, we just want to find the first question. Total silver wire is required. Try to understand the question. Where the silver wire used? Silver wire used to make the brooch, meaning circumference, as well as silver wire is used for 5 such diameters. So this is first diameter and length of diameter is 35 mm. Length of second diameter is same. Length of third diameter is same. 5 times. Same diameter wire used 5 times. We will multiply this 35 by 5. We can count all the length of the wire used in the brooch, as well as the wire is also used in the circumference. So we will also find the circumference and I will add the circumference as well as all the wires used in the diameter. That will be total used wire in the brooch. Okay, the first of all I'll find for first question I'll find the circumference of circle. 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius was 35 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, 7 5s and it is 110 mm. This is the simple thing, circumference we found. Again we will find the total wire in the diameters. Used wire in diameters 5 into 35. Why? Because 35 mm is the length of the diameter. Length of the diameter wire. 5 diameters used. So total will be 175 mm used. This particular length of wire used in the diameters. So total used wire in the brooch will be 110 plus 175 will be 285 mm. It's very simple question it was. Very simple question it was. So hope you have got. Let me wrap this out. Second question I will tell you right now here. Question number 2 says the area of each sector of the brooch. We want to find each sector. This. And you all know about it depends on 2 things. Radius, which is 35 by 2, and centered angle. Centered angle is very easy. One can understand this. We have 10 sectors. And whole angle is none else but it is a 360. It's a 360. And one can easily find the angle, centered angle for one sector. You just have to divide to 360 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I write here since second question, since centered angle of circle is equal to 360 degree. So we know that we have 10 sectors equal. We have a 10 equal sector. So angle of centered angle, I wrote C here, centered angle of each sector will be 360 upon 10, 36 degree. This angle is none else but it is 36 degree. So I'll write it, I'll mention it as a theta equal to 36. Now, what is the area of sector we want to find? So you know the formula only. Pi r square theta upon 360. It's very simple formula, you know it. 22 by 7. Radius is 35 by 2 square, meaning 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. I will write 2 times theta, meaning 36 upon 360. So you can go on. You can go on 7 5s and 2 11s. So rest I won't write first. 11 5. These two will be 35 upon 2, and these two cancel by 1 upon 10. So finally, I would speak something in this question. 5 2s are 10. So 35 by 2s are 4. You can multiply, divide. Sorry, you will get 8 point. I'll write here mm square. 8.75 mm square. It is the area of a one sector. So I don't think it's a simple calculation. One can also do it very easily. In easy way it can be done. I don't think it's a trouble. Okay. Now let me take a question from the book. We have a question over 13th I'm telling you. 13th I'm telling you. Question 13 is a round table cover has 6 equal designs shown in figure. Can you see the figure? This is my circle, and almost just like a figure, it is given like that, and some design is making in this portion. And all know about this. These are the segments. These are the segments, and 6 segments we are having. Given that radius is 28 centimeter, find a round table covers has 6 equal design and shown as a figure. Radius is 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the design only at the rate of 0.35 rupees per square centimeter. We want to find the cost of design. The cost per square centimeter is given 0.35 rupees. What we will do? We will find the only the particular segments. You can understand this portion. I will find one segment. I will find. Can you see? Only one segment I will find. Only one segment I will find. I will multiply by 6. I will have all the 6 segments area. By this area and the cost, I can find the whole cost, total cost. Okay, how we can do this? We know that this is radius 28 is given, and we can easily find the particular segment area. One thing which is required, which is theta. So what is theta? One can understand that we have a such 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 sectors, and we have center angle is 360. Right now I taught you only divide 360 by 6. You can get a centered angle theta. So can I write here r equal to, we know total subtend angle at center of circle is equal to 360 degree. So centered angle for a sector will be 360 upon 6 as per figure I am talking about. Theta is equal to, we got a 60 degree. We got a 60 degree. Now what I will do, I got theta equal to 60 degree and radius equal to 28 centimeter already having we have. So we will find the area of segment. And I taught you yesterday the formula which was r square theta by upon 360 minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. That formula used, you know, that same formula I used yesterday. Two types of formulas I taught you. This I am using here. Put the values. R square meaning 28 square, theta meaning 60, pi is still pi, 360 minus sin theta by 2 meaning 60 by 2. Theta is 60. It is 30, and it is 30. Again 28 square 784 I think. Okay, 784. Now I'll go with the pi upon this gonna be 6 and sin 30 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So I think value of root 3 is given in this question 1.7. So I'll go with 784. The value of pi is also given in the question is 3.14 upon 6 minus this, the value 1.7 is given upon 4. This is a 4. Now how we can find the answer? 22 upon 7 we are told, but okay, we are putting 3.14, no matter at all. 784. I'll go with the LCM 12. This is gonna be 9.42. 6 2s are 2 4s, sorry. 6 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. And this is 4 3s are 5.1. Again, these two I think cancel. No, I don't think so. 784 into, can you subtract that? 8, 2 and 1, 1 and 1 upon 12. So lastly, I just want to rub this out. Let me rub this. 784 into 1.18 upon 12 we have. We will simply cancel by 4. 4 3s are 4 1s are 4 9 and 4 6. 4 1s are 4, 3, 8, 4 9s are 36 and 4 6 are 24. Okay, 196 into 1.18 upon 3 we got. You will multiply these two, and get an answer. So what will be the answer here? Look at, first I also can cancel approximately, and then I will do so. Or first I multiply these two. And just wait for a while. So I have done it. 3 to 231.28 upon 3. I'll divide it approximately. 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, and 3 9s are 27. This is approximately about centimeter square. So this is the area of one sector we have found. Now what we'll do, we'll find the area of 6 such sectors. So I'll go with this area of 6 such segments. You know the picture I made for you. This is picture just like that. Only one we found, and we have 6 segments. I multiply by 6. 6 into 77.09. We got this centimeter. What we'll do now? We got 462.54 square centimeter. This is the area of 6 segments. Now we have a cost is given. Cost is given that the cost of making design per square meter is 0.35 per square centimeter rupees. This is the cost per square centimeter of design is given. So total cost will be, you multiply 462.54 into 0.35. So please do by your own now. You can multiply and get your answer in the rupees. But that's the exercise from my side. Okay. So till here you please do the practice. Today we have like 2 questions, but they were important. From tomorrow we'll have an area combination of the plane figure. This is also good exercise. We'll see it from tomorrow. Thank you.